What's going on, everybody? This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and in this video I'm going to be sharing a tip that will help you guys improve your trumpet sound. Now, the main topic that'll be discussed in this video is the aperture. And as stated in one of my previous videos, the aperture is the hole in the middle of your lips that you blow air to get into the instrument. Now, as a musician, you want to play with a good open tone and not with a tone that's constricted. By constricted, I mean narrow. So I'm going to share 2 clips for you guys of me playing the note G with a constricted sound and with a nice open sound. And I'll explain in terms of my aperture what I'm doing. Hopefully in that clip you realize that my tone quality on that note G was very constricted. And the reason being is because I was playing in what's known as a closed aperture position. And the way that happened was because I'm literally taking my lips and pinching them together like this. And doing so barely creates an aperture. And when we don't have an aperture, we're unable to get air through the instrument. Now I want you to listen to this second clip, and I want you to hear the difference in the tone quality. Hopefully you noticed in that second clip, I played the note G with a good and open tone because I'm playing with an open aperture position. And the way you do that is just simply set your embouchure as usual and blow air through your lips as if you're getting ready to blow something that's very hot, like so. And as you can see, when I pinch my lips, it's harder to blow air through. So check this out. Whereas you want to do this. So always remember, as a musician, you want to play everything with a good and open tone and not with a tone that's constricted. So make sure you don't pinch your lips. Just set your embouchure as usual and simply blow air through, and you'll play with an open aperture. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. This is Trumpet Tips with JC, and I'm out. See y'all in the next video.